Good morning, children. Today we will start our work in a A4 sheet. For today's work, what are the things we need? First, I will tell you that you have to take all the things and keep ready for today's work. First, today we need A4 sheet. With that A4 sheet, you have to take a scale, pencil, crayons, sketch pen and color pencils. You have to take all these things and take out a page and start to draw a border with the help of the pencil and a scale. Border, what you have to do, you have to take a black sketch pen and you have to do the tracing on the black line. See here, you have to do the black outline like this. All of you know how to do the border, so I did not taught you that, children. After this, once again you have to take a scale and make this page into 3 parts. See here, this is the one part. Two and 3. This also you should trace with the black sketch pen. After this black outline over, what you have to do, you have to take a pencil, once again pencil, and write down today's date here. Write down the date here and write down the topic here, shading. Write down the topic here, shading. Children, here today we will learn 3 different types of shading using 3 different material. Okay, I will show how. I will show here only the small shading work. Today we will learn small shading work. If we will do that work with a sketch pen, how it will look. If we will do the small shading work with a pencil, how it will look. And if we will use the crayons, how it will look. That one you will see now. Just you have to observe that. How I will show you how to do like that, and you have to complete your work same like that. Okay, children. See, children, here I took all the 3 in the same purple color. Here I took a purple color sketch pen, purple color pencil and purple color crayon. If we will do the sketch pen work, how it will look. If we do with the crayon, with the purple color, how it will look. That one you can see the difference also, and how it will looks also, that one you can see. Now what I will do, I will take first sketch pen and I will start to do the small shading work. How we should do the small shading work? Just observe that one, children. According to that only you have to do for this full space. Okay, this first part will be there now. That one we are doing with the sketch pen. And from this border line to here, you have to do. Okay, children, I will show only small part. While doing, you have to be careful. You have to start from here to here. And this edge to this edge, you have to do the same thing. How? Just you have to observe here. Like this you have to do first, then continue the shading work here like this down. Again continue like this. See, children, like this neatly you have to do. Once you will complete this portion, again you should start from up like this. Okay, here also some part you have to do. And then you should continue. Same how we did it now, this side, same like that you have to follow. Okay, this one we call as a small shading work. If we use the sketch pen, how it will look. Now you know that. Okay. Now I will show how it will look if we will use the pencil. Okay. But here only I shown only this much. But what you have to do, you have to complete up to here. Okay, children. Same like this, you have to do up to here. Children, I am using a pencil, color pencil. You have to take a color pencil. Here also the same method you have to use. Okay. The difference between the color you can see. The way of shading will be the same thing. But the difference you can see. When we'll use the color pencil and when we'll use the crayon or when we'll use the sketch pen, what is the difference between the shading and all you can see. See children, once when we will complete this much now, again we should go up and we should continue that. Okay. The some little part you have to do color like this. Again you should go down. Continue the coloring work. Okay children, like this you have to do from where to where, from here to this edge. Up to here you have to do the same method. See the difference between, see here, the sketch pen it will give a dark layer and the pencil it will give a light coloring layer it will give. Okay. Now we will take a crayon. What it will give us, we will see that one. Now see children, I took a purple color crayon. This also I will start to do with the small shading work only. See children, like this. Now you can see the three different tone of the color as well as the different shades also. Yes, no? This is a dark shade, this is a middle tone and this is a light tone. Like that it will give. Okay. First one you have to do with the sketch pen. The next one you have to do with the color pencil and the next one you have to do with the crayon. And one more thing children, what you have to do, you have to complete this portion. Whatever the portions will be there now, that one you have to complete. If I will show you here, here at the edge I will show you, if you are not doing the same method, if you will not use the same method and whatever way it will comes in your mind, if you do that one means how it will look, that one also I will show. Just you have to observe. See here, without using the small shading work, if I will do the small shading work, it will comes like this, no children. Without using this one, if I do like this, how it will look, just you have to observe that. This is a wrong method. If I do with a pencil also the same like that means. This is also wrong method. This is also wrong. Just you have to observe both the things children. See here, if you do neatly means how it will looks and if you do the wrong way means how it will looks. Just you have to observe that. According to that, however I taught you now, same like that you have to complete this work and keep the paper carefully. Okay children, thank you.